Hi and welcome. I'm George Pierce, and I do want to thank you for watching. This video is about two things that I really wish I'd known before I had began or started affiliate marketing. They're really two major things, and I didn't learn them right away. I figured them out. It took me probably 12 to 18 months to figure out something wasn't right. And I finally discovered the two very important things that really helped my affiliate marketing. I think they will help yours. The first thing is that most affiliates, and I did the same thing, most affiliates are going to start out looking at affiliates. So if you begin affiliate marketing, then you're going to start looking at affiliates and affiliate centers and commissions and products. And these are important to a degree, but they're really secondary. What's important is, what I discovered is that you and I want to be close to the money. The closer we are to the money, the more success we're going to have. And unfortunately, putting our focus on affiliates is the wrong place to get started, the wrong place for our focus. It's the wrong step that we should take. The first step that I've discovered that we should take is to put our focus on buyers. See, buyers, when we're looking at buyers, that's where the action is. People are buying. Well, sales are already being made. But what we want to find out is, where are those buyers? And that's what we want to focus. There's two things that are going to help us to get close to the money. The first one is buyers. So that's the first thing that I wish I had known, was to put my focus on those buyers. It took me quite a while to discover that. And that, to me, is a very important key to affiliate marketing success. I mean, when you're trying to make money online, and affiliate marketing is a way to make money online, where you want to learn how to make money online. Not make money online is unfortunately what happens if we don't have our focus in the right places, because what we're doing is it's bringing us over here, which is away from the money. We want to get over where the money is at. We want to get as close to the money as possible. So number one, focus on the buyers. Now the other thing is that affiliate marketing is mostly marketing. And I started out on the wrong foot. I started out on the creation. Well, I started out looking at the affiliates and so on, but I also got heavy into the creation. When you are focused on building websites and blogs and landing pages and squeeze pages and so on, that's secondary. They're essential. So there's some importance there, but the real importance is the marketing. I recommend at least what I call 80-20. 20% creation, 80% marketing. If you can go 90 or almost 100% marketing, all the better. But usually a certain amount of our time is going to have to be involved in creation. But most of our time should be involved in marketing. So those are the two things. Focus on buyers. Begin by finding out where are the buyers. And believe that wherever there's a buyer, there will be products, there will be affiliates. Don't worry about that. So focus on the buyers, and then focus on the marketing. And that way your making money online opportunity is going to make money online. Otherwise, you're going to be like me and maybe not make money online for quite a long while, because your head's over here in the wrong place. No offense to you, but that's my personal experience, and I believe that's most everybody else's personal experience. These secrets or discoveries are the core of an affiliate marketing training program that you will find a link to below. If affiliate marketing is something that you are interested in, then click on the link below. It'll take you to the first video in an affiliate marketing training series that I put together. And what I do there is I show you the first thing that you're going to get into is buyers. How to find the buyers. Where are the buyers? What's hot? Who's buying? I'm going to bring you as close to that money as I can, and that's going to help you to make the money. Then the second thing is to, again, keep our head over here on the marketing side of affiliate marketing. which is the glue, whatever. That's what brings those buyers to the sellers. And that's all we're doing. We're just bringing buyers to sellers. But we want to bring hot buyers, people, anyway. There's a right way to do it, and there's a wrong way to do it. And I did it the right way, the wrong way for a long time. I thought it was the right way. I mean, it was what I was being taught, what I was understanding was the right way to do it. And in my opinion, it wasn't, because it didn't work. Or it didn't work for me anyways. And I don't think that it works for a lot of people, because I see a lot of people get into this, and then not too long down the road, they're gone. And part of the reason is they simply, it's not their fault. They simply were not taught that they need to get over here close to that, get close, as close as you can get to the money, and then that's going to happen. Then you're going to be rewarded, as long as you engage in the right activities. You're going to have to work. But on the other hand, your efforts will be rewarded. Fortunately, I learned these two secrets, discoveries, whatever you want to call them, and those, I've included those, of course, in my training program. You'll find a link below to the training program. If affiliate marketing is something that you're interested in, click that link and go ahead and get started. I do want to thank you, and I want to encourage you to leave us a like if this is something that you feel as though it has helped you or will help you, and it will. Give us a like or give us a comment or both. And again, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell, and that way you won't miss out on our videos. Thank you again. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I do want to wish you much success.